And now a sneak peek of an Hgtv special event series.
Leaving sweet little old Laurel.
Headed to sweet home, Alabama.
The first ever Home Town Takeover.
Wetumpka, Alabama, we're coming!
Here we go.
Every day is a winding road.
We're taking on 12 major renovations.
To help one small town build a brighter future.
We're gonna surprise homeowners and businesses with full renovations.
One giant makeover.
My shop is on the verge of closing.
We know the struggle, and it's scary. We wanna renovate Tap 18.
Tap 18. Feel
Where'd you come from?
inappropriate picking this lady up.
It's okay, she's plastic.
Listen, I don't even know your name.
I know what she was trying to do. She had the right idea. It's just time to try something new.
I can't wait to see it.
Oh my
Goodness.